If you need to find exports in SurveyMonkey, I'll walk you through it step by step in a quick and easy way. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly where to go, what to click, and what to do if your exports are locked behind a plan upgrade. If this tutorial helps, please hit the like button and subscribe for more simple software guides like this. Let's jump in. First, open your browser and go to SurveyMonkey. Once you're on the SurveyMonkey homepage, make sure you're signed in to the account that owns the survey you want to work with. This is important because exports are tied to your survey data and your account permissions. Next, click on the survey you want to check. If you manage multiple surveys, take a moment to make sure you choose the correct one so you don't end up in the wrong results page. After opening the survey, look for the option that says Analyze Results. This is where SurveyMonkey stores the reporting and export tools for your responses. Once you're inside the Analyze Results section, look for the Export option. This is the button or menu item you need to access any downloadable survey data. Click on Export and SurveyMonkey will take you to the export area where you can manage downloads or view export history depending on your plan. After that, click on Previous Exports. This is the section where SurveyMonkey shows older export files, so if you've already exported responses before, this is the place to find them again. You can use this area to review past export activity and locate files you may have downloaded earlier. Now here's the important part. If you're unable to view previous exports, SurveyMonkey may require a plan upgrade. In that case, you'll see that exporting and viewing previous exports are limited to higher tier plans. So if the option is locked, that usually means your current subscription does not include that feature. If that happens, you have two choices. You can upgrade your SurveyMonkey plan to unlock exports and previous export history, or you can stay on your current plan and use the features that are available to you. Either way, now you know exactly where to look and what the limitation means. So to recap, go to SurveyMonkey, open your survey, click Analyze Results, then click Export, and finally select Previous Exports. And if it's unavailable, check whether your plan needs an upgrade. That's the full process for finding exports in SurveyMonkey. If this video helped you out, make sure to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more step-by-step tutorials just like this one. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.